Hello all the crypto and DeFi fans all around the world. Hello all the BSC freaks. Like I am all about the BSC, and today we're gonna talk about Binance coin. We're gonna show progress on some contracts. We're gonna generally sum it up and we're gonna do some withdrawals. So let's start. Okay, so we are back. Let's look at the chart, at the 1 hour chart for Binance coin. As you can see, at the end of the last month, we started growing, like very fast. We were at 300, and then we went up. There was some accumulation here, and then like 2 days ago, the BNB started growing really fast. Look at the spike, and then we went even higher to 80H at the most high at 416, 415, somewhere around that. And now a little correction. The market is generally in correction. Bitcoin is correcting. Everything is correcting. Let's look at BTC just for a minute as well. Where is that? Yeah, so BTC also took a hit from almost 60,000 to now 56. Okay, so let's look at some smart contracts. What can we withdraw? How are we doing? What's the progress? How's the balance? Okay, so today I generally bought all the spots in all the Bs I previously had bought, because you have to buy a B and then you can fill all the spots. So I've this is filled, and in order to fill this one, I have to pay more, unlock it, and I'm not going to do that because I'm already in the process of withdrawing from the platform. What I did, I bought, well, not willingly, because I was sure it was for wax, but it was for honey. So basically I had some cash to withdraw, some honey to withdraw for BNB, and then I upgraded here to produce more honey. I was not I mean, that's not exactly what I wanted, but alright, it's okay. So I'm now producing 551 honey per hour, and when it accumulates, it's not refresh probably. When it accumulates, I will withdraw everything I can now, and that's your decision if you want to go in right now. I'll always I've done a review very early, so this is how I'm doing it. That's your choice what you want to do. So you can still join in, just taking a risk. It can be sustainable, I guess, because the turnover is pretty big. The balance is still huge. Yeah, so I have some honey accumulated. I will wait and I will draw it. And in the meantime, if I accumulate enough works, of course I'll be buying more spots. But I've already just done my job. I've put one BNB here. I bought some coins. I staked it for a bit. I tried everything. I have like almost 20% withdrawn from the platform. I've sold some coins with profit as well, so I was able to take advantage of this platform a little bit more. All right, let's move to another one. So this is BNB yield. Let's refresh, because I have been outside. Maybe there's some progress here. I have a cough. I hope it's not COVID. I had COVID before, so this will be a second time. I didn't like this virus, no. Okay, I guess I shouldn't say this because this video can be banned. Whatever. Okay, so yeah, right now in BNB yield, there might be still a good time to go. I'm not sure, because I always try to go in the beginning, because in my opinion it's always safe to go for one cycle in the shortest plan. That's my strategy. I'm kind of trying to show it. So right now, because they have a mechanism that the profit gets higher every day, but the days get lower. So new members, new investors have the opportunity to also take advantage of the better offer than we had before. So this is kind of fair to the new members. So I guess we'll see how it works. Right now we have a steady 3000 BNB on balance, so it's not bad, I guess. There's still a YouTuber contest ongoing, so maybe still some YouTubers left to do a video review. We're gonna withdraw a BNB, and I'm gonna show you how the reinvest works for this platform, because it's basically what I've been doing. I've been accumulating at least a couple of dollars. Like here, this is like 20, no, not 20, 15 maybe, or something like that. The price is changing so fast, my calculations are like yesterday. And when I'm making a withdrawal, 30% of what I'm withdrawing goes to reinvest, and I can reinvest even this low amount, and I'll have this reinvest will work in this plan, with the short amount of days and with more profit. I will show you this in a minute. Let's reinvest, because I'll be just making my stake a little bit higher. Initially it was I'm gonna show you, because the history is here, so it's not a problem. Yeah, so initially I deposited 0.2. It was on the it was I'm not sure when exactly, but then on the next I reinvested. I made a test withdrawal. I like it, I like the whole mechanism, so I deposited more, 0.2 BNB, and then another one, and look, the second deposit was already shorter a little bit, and the profit was higher. Then I made another reinvest, and another reinvest, another reinvest, and another. And right now, if I refresh, we'll see. Sorry guys, I'm tired. The last 2 weeks have been crazy, and I didn't get sleep for the last 2 weeks. Believe me, this. I've just been searching the BSC network for opportunities, just thinking whatever I can. Okay, so yeah, you can see the new reinvest here. Yeah, and they have a 10 level referral program. It's not too high, the first level, so maybe a good idea. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, this is the one I just got from a friend. It's a little bit slow, and the balance is not too high. I deposited only a little bit, and then I hold off, because it's been around 400 BNB. It is not changing much. I can terminate my stake here whenever I want, so I'm just I haven't withdrawn here because it's not too much, and if I see the balance going lower, I'll have the ability just to take 80%, I guess, of my initial deposit. Well, yeah, so yeah, this is what I got. I'm just monitoring. This is something I will talk about soon, maybe tomorrow, because we are getting closer to launch. BNB compound, they have a very nice idea. There's something new, so I like it, because maybe they're changing their website right now. Yeah, they're launching soon, so you will find my review in the next video. This is something I've been doing, I've been just testing, and to see how it works. I will also make another separate movie for it. Alright, so let's move to the player of the week. Yeah, the BNB25, this thing has been booming, you know. I'm kind of impressed. I mean, this is the same team from bnbstake, but still, you know, the balance is growing, is still growing, you know. But you know, look at total invested and the balance, you know, do your math. Then you can see that the total reinvested is over 1000. Look, so yeah, that's good. Is, you know, there's more invested than withdrawals right now, so I think it's still good to go. But you know, if you want to go, if you still want to go in, it's the last, there are last spots for you to go here. This is the time to go if you really want to go, you know. In order to do that, you'll need to have MetaMask wallet. You'll find the info in the description. You'll need to in order to deposit, select amount pre-configured or put it manually here. Invest, pay fees. You can do it on MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Token Pocket. Alright, let's go. We're gonna withdraw now because you can withdraw only once every 24 hours. So I've been waiting for my time, and now also, like in BNB yield, similar, but no, it's different here because you only have one plan, and every 25% of your withdrawal goes to reinvestment. And you'll see your invested amount here, and you'll see total invested previously your initial deposit here. So you'll see how much you've grown. Look, this is the initial deposit right now. It's growing, so I'll be earning faster, even faster right now. And you know, you can also reinvest. You'll get 10% bonus for reinvesting all your earnings since the last withdrawal. It's coded like that, so you can do that if you wanna just compound for a little bit. But my advice is, as soon as you go in, withdraw everything you can. You'll still reinvest a portion of your investment, so like it's forced, but it's a good strategy for now. Okay, so thank you all the guys, you know, that went in from my link. This is only one of my accounts. Well, we'll also go to another one. This one is like a test account. I wanted to see how much you can earn with one BNB, and if only my secondary backup PC works. Alright. So let's maybe, I'm not sure if it's refreshed. So here I have one BNB invested. A little bit later I decided to do like a test account so we can see clearly from one BNB how much you can earn, so we can, you know, it's easy to count. You can, I will withdraw now. It's $100. This is like more or less what you can earn here per day from one BNB, and some of it will go to reinvestment. I did a test withdrawal which was much lower than that, and right now look at my active investment right now. So it will accumulate a little bit faster, and I got 75% of my withdraw anyway. So let's look. Yeah, it is in my wallet because I had like 0.2 here. Okay, because this is another wallet, another browser. You can use Brave browser, for example. It works as well. Okay, so total withdrawals are now 0.33. Active investment double 8% more, and you know, I only one referral fee because, you know, this is, I'm testing something that doesn't work very well, but no, this is what I have to do if I want to make some additional cash. Give a good content. That if you want to watch it, that's, you know, that's your choice. Okay, let's go to the contract just to check now. Just to check. Always check, you know. Okay, so almost 5,000 BNB. Look, it's still growing. Let's see. Oh, a huge guy. Let's see. Let's see what plan he chose. I remember. I forgot this no plans here. Okay, so there are still whales going in, or just small people? Let's look at more transactions. 4 BNB, 2 BNB. Yeah, most of them are small. Oh, 27 BNB. It was like 18 minutes ago. Okay. Okay, 20. Still, still growing. Still growing. So it's, it's audited by Hayes, the best company. Very good professional company. I like Hayes audited contracts. It's like, it's good. Yeah, as you can see, referral program 21%. Okay, what else? I wanted to show one more thing, but I can see it here. I'm also looking for farm tokens. Today I found this token when it was initially it was at $4. You could buy it when it was, there was some spike and the launch, but you can more or less buy it between $10 and $20. You could like 4x easily here today. So yeah, maybe I'll try to show you more. I'll do some maybe lives in the future. Tell me in the comments. I see nice comments. I'll accept them because I'm moderating it. That's my choice, whatever. Because there's a lot of shit and scam, in the comments. Believe me, a lot. So yeah, that I'm, you can critique, and I will still probably, if it's good critique, I will still publish your comment. So they have the NFTs. Maybe they're launching farming tomorrow, so it's, still, you can still take a look. The price can dip and you can buy at the tip. If it goes to 40, 30, 40, I guess it could be a buying opportunity. Right now it's pumping, so yeah, just observe it. Alright guys, I guess that's that's it for the video, and there will be more videos. There will be like a BNB profit review video and BNB compound tomorrow. So alright, take care guys, thank you for watching. If you're not my subscriber, please subscribe to my channel, and I will appreciate it if you like the video to give me a like. I'm a new rising YouTuber in English market, so I I was a Polish YouTuber, but now I'm mostly doing videos in English. Alright guys, have a great day and see you soon.